My name is Oleksandr Odukha, and I'm a director of engineering at Intellias. I have two major parts which I'm responsible for. First is a portfolio of automotive projects, and another one is the AI/ML domain. I would say that more and more industries start to see that data mining is super important, and that actually business nowadays is all about data. The good example is Automotive, where the key differentiator soon will switch even from software to what kind of data automotive companies have. Yeah, I would say the main thing here is data. So essentially some companies, they just don't have enough data, some have too much, some still trying to understand how to use their existing data in a proper way, and all of them have issues how to connect their data with their business needs. Yeah, it's even more problematic. There are cases which you can't simply simulate in a real world. So for that, you actually have to work with simulated environments and use them to actually build your models. For example, you want to use reinforced learning to train your car not to hit pedestrians. So you need just too many people to actually make it work. So instead, you're going to build a simulator which will simulate real car accidents and stuff. Well, just look at what happens with Tesla. Yeah, they don't have a lot of car accidents, but each and every case make a lot of noise. So for models that you use in autonomous driving, they have to be precise, predictable, and fast enough. Yeah? And in order to achieve all that, you really have to push to the limit all the data you have and all the skills you have. I believe we're gonna see way less cars on the road, so utilization of each and every car will be way higher than it is right now. That's the one thing. Another thing, we can compare it with airplanes. We know exactly where each and every airplane on this planet, where it is right now in real time. Say, I believe at some point of time will happen for cars as well. They're gonna exchange the data they have, so the world will be way more safer. So first of all, we have internal, let's call it research projects that we use as an accelerators to speed up development for our clients. Plus, we do more scientific stuff. So we work there in, let's say, consultancy mode, where we focus on the real world issues and solutions to them, covering everything from business needs alignment, actual data availability, data preparation, and model evaluation, and to actually implementing it in the real world. So currently we've just finished an accelerator focused on a pedestrian recognition and forecasting of environment around the car. So essentially we analyze all the pedestrian movement around the car, whether by chance in next 2 seconds motion vector of a car and pedestrian cross each other, what the probability of that, and system allows us to inform either driver to slow down when needed, or actually use emergency brake when needed.